Okay guys, so we'll set up the PXN V3 Pro to our Xbox One. So this main cable from the steering wheel goes in front of our Xbox Series X, and then this cable from the accelerator and brake goes to the right side. Plug that in. And then, since the provided cable is last gen compatible, still doesn't have the USB-C. So we just got a replacement cable. So good thing I have this extra one. So USB to USB-C, because the Xbox Series X controller already has this USB-C. So it's just a matter of plugging one end to the steering wheel, and the USB side goes here. It's quite hard to do this with one hand. Okay, now that that's plugged in, oops, I think I pressed something. So okay, so I'm just using this to that. So as you can see, left, right, down, up. See, I'm just using my the arrows from the steering wheel. Okay, so let's just wait for Forza Horizon 5 to complete downloading, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so ito na ang Forza 5. Okay, so nag-start na yung game, and let's just do some adjustments para dito sa steering wheel natin. Okay, so from settings, so we're still using our steering wheel. So punta lang tayo sa controls. Okay, press A, change input mapping. Okay, so the accelerator and brake, so tama to, nasa right side yung accelerator, which is RT. Brake is LT, so yun yung nasa left side. So left, right, okay. So ito, hiyaan lang natin yan. This is the one that we need to adjust, because we'll be using LBRB when we go to sa upshift, downshift. So ito mali yan Okay, so just press A to just press A to select. Okay, so custom controller profile 1, and then from here, so gear up, so we just press this. Okay, so ayun, assign siya doon, RB. Next, we go to shift down, press A. So press the shift, press the key you wish for shift down. So ito siya. So ganun rin siya dito. Yon will also apply to this shift up, shift down. Okay, and sige nga, try natin. So press X to save. Okay, So may missing raw. So tingnan natin ano yung missing. Usually it will have an exclamation point dyan sa pagka may missing. Ibig sabihin nagamit natin yung control. So this one, switch camera. Okay. So we just have to assign this to a new button. So e-brake, A, activate X. Okay. May gumamit na ba ng B? Wala. So again, we'll just press A for switch camera, and then press B or this one, no? Yon. So nag-reflect siya doon, and then press X again to save it. Yan, setup has been saved. So ibig sabihin lahat ng relevant control are all mapped na. Okay, so let's just press A to continue, then back, and then let's try it out. Okay, okay, start game. Okay, so as you can see, hindi ko naman pinalit na gumamit siya ng wheel. Instead, it's just the usual stuff. So tataka kayo, pakita naman setup nito. Hindi, temporary lang to kasi this one I primarily use for my Xbox One, but I'm just trying to demo it here for the Series X, how it goes. So how can you configure it? So patestingin lang natin, ano? Ang ganda talaga ng graphics nitong Forza 5, Forza Horizon. Viva Mexico! Ganda ng graphics, grabe. Lalo na siguro kung 4K itong TV. Baka naman. Sige, try na natin. Skip muna natin yan. Ay, ayaw ma-skip. Sige, balikan natin yan. Pause muna ako. Okay. Press what? To jump. Ano pa to Mala Fast and the Furious ang dating nito May glare lang talaga yung TV ko pero solid na solid. Okay, so dali, ang hirap mag-drive ng gamit yung ano. So yun, nag-brake, nag-ano ako to reverse. Okay. Oop. Ganda ng lighting, grabe. Teka, nakamatic kasi tayo dito kaya hindi natin maano. Teka, try natin i-switch siya. Punta tayo settings. Ito natin manual. Saan ba yan? Ano ba yun? Ito ba nasa difficulty? Stability. Sige, lagyan natin stability. Ayun. So set natin yung manual. Pakita ko lang kung paano yan. Okay, save. Okay, back. Okay. Paano ko reset? Reset car position. Ayan. Yes. Okay. Yan. So, pakita ko lang yung okay. So, kita ba? Third gear. Ayun, 6, ilang gears ba to? 7, 8, 9, 10 gears. Okay, so ito naman yung nag 9. Ayun, nag-stop na. So balik siya sa 1. Okay. Yun.